Modding Elder Scrolls IV Oblivion and have an OMOD file to install? This is a mod archive used with Oblivion Mod Manager for installing game modifications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install these Oblivion mod archives. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated OMOD file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. MOD files are mod archive files used by Oblivion Mod Manager OBMM for installing modifications to the Elder Scrolls IV Oblivion. They contain mod files including ESP plugins, meshes, textures, sounds, and installation scripts enabling automated mod installation, activation, conflict detection, and removal within the Oblivion modding ecosystem. MOD archive files use a compressed container format, storing mod assets, along with a manifest describing files' installation paths and conditional installation logic. The format includes Lua-style scripting for complex mod installations, enabling user choices during installation, file conflict resolution, and cleanup procedures for proper mod uninstallation. We recommend using the Elder Scrolls IV Oblivion by Bethesda Softworks to ensure proper reading of OMOD. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows cannot show embedded 3D or 2D assets, so specialized extraction tools are necessary. We are testing every installed file handler. Right-click your OMOD file and choose Open With. Test the Elder Scrolls IV Oblivion first. If it fails, select another application. The correct reader is in that list. When your OMOD file does not open, it is usually a small issue. To truly fix this, let's review the why. The top technical reasons this specific OMOD error occurs on your system. First, installing with OBMM. Download Oblivion Mod Manager from Nexus Mods and launch it pointing to your Oblivion installation. Use the Add Archive button to import the OMOD file, then double-click to install. OBMM extracts the mod files to the correct game directories and registers the mod for activation in your load order. Next, converting for modern managers. Use tools like OMOD Converter to convert OMOD files for use with modern mod managers like Mod Organizer 2 or Vortex. These current managers offer better mod organization and compatibility features than the legacy OBMM. The converted files maintain mod functionality while gaining modern mod management capabilities. Finally, manual installation. If automated tools fail, extract the OMOD file manually using 7-zip since OMODs are essentially compressed archives. Examine the contents and copy files to the appropriate Oblivion data folder structure. Activate any included ESP plugins through the Oblivion launcher or rybash for proper mod load order management. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.